also now show to our viewers the videos as far as this entire controversy is concerned, the videos that were put out by BJP. In the second video, viewers, you can see how an irritated Kalyan Banerjee is on a rant. He goes on to use the term chore and says chores are now threatening to get me arrested. When he was reminded by a colleague about the presence of the media, he says, and I quote, "I want the media to know everything that is happening." Listen in.
सब एमपी है सर, हम लोग मेरा
तो बोलते होंगे अरेस्ट कराবে
हाँ 33 একটা ছেড়ে দাও প্লিজ
মহিলা বলে
শো ওয়ান প্লিজ মোবা
ছোট বলে অ্যারেস্ট করাবে
মিডিয়া হয়ে যাবে
হোক না মিডিয়া আমি তো চাই মিডিয়া হোক ও কত বড়
सब एमपी है सर, हम लोग मेरा
তো বলতে होंगे अरेस्ट कराবে
हाँ 33 একটা ছেড়ে দাও প্লিজ
মহিলা বলে
শো ওয়ান প্লিজ মোবা
ছোট বলে অ্যারেস্ট করাবে
মিডিয়া হয়ে যাবে
হোক না মিডিয়া আমি তো চাই মিডিয়া হোক ও কত বড়
Now take a look at video number 3, and this is an explosive video. Here, Kalyan Banerjee is heard going on and on about some illegal activities. He is heard saying, and I quote, "I won't allow illegal actions." He adds that people in Trinamool Congress are not working a private agency. He is also heard shouting and saying that he has not come to the TMC via any quota or hasn't really come from another party. Now, that TMC has confirmed that the spat was between Mahua Moitra and Kalyan Banerjee. Can one assume that all the references made by Kalyan Banerjee were against Mahua Moitra only? Watch what happened.
ग्रुपिज्म में जब होगा तो हम भी कुछ करेंगे देखता है करिए But I will not allow to do any illegal work. We are not coming out for any private agency here. अरे क्या तुम नहीं हम अंदर नहीं है तुम क्या समझ रहे हो मुझको तुम क्या समझ रहे हो मुझको हम कोटा में नहीं आए हैं भाई और उन लोग अलग पार्टी छोड़ के नहीं आया ग्रुपिज्म में जब होगा तो हम भी कुछ करेंगे देखता है करिए But I will not allow to do any illegal work. We are not coming out for any private agency here. चला अरे क्या तुम नहीं हम अंदर नहीं है तुम क्या समझ रहे हो मुझको तुम क्या समझ रहे हो मुझको हम कोटा में नहीं आए हैं भाई और उन लोग अलग पार्टी छोड़ के नहीं आया
Now, senior TMC leader and Member of Parliament Saugata Roy has come out in support of TMC MP Mahua Moitra. Speaking on this entire matter, he confirmed that Mahua Moitra informed her party colleagues about Kalyan Banerjee's behaviour and also added that it's not the first time that Kalyan Banerjee has been caught behaving in an unruly manner. He has put the onus on Mamata Banerjee to act against Kalyan Banerjee. Listen in.
I was not there when this spat between Kalyan Banerjee and Mahua Moitra took place. I was at the Bijoy Chowk. The spat took place in front of the Election Commission. And then I found that Mahua was crying and she was going to several MPs, also other parties, to complain about Kalyan's behavior. I feel strongly. I feel that Kalyan should be removed from his post of chief whip of the parliamentary party immediately. But I leave it to Mamata Banerjee's judgment. That Kalyan is not fit to be in the post is apparent to me. I have not said it so far because of his behavior, of his wrong English. But now I find that time has come to say it.
But viewers, this entire controversy started with WhatsApp screenshots that were posted by BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya. These chats are allegedly between TMC MPs Kalyan Banerjee and Kirti Azad. The feud that you saw in those videos didn't end outside the ECI office and the parliament. In fact, it spilled over into the AITC MP 2024 WhatsApp group as well, where Kalyan Banerjee went after Kirti Azad for supporting Mahua Moitra. But in the middle of it all, the question still remains, who exactly is the versatile international lady that Kalyan Banerjee refers to in his WhatsApp text? Is he talking about Mahua Moitra? If yes, why? And what does it really mean? Let's now tell you a little bit about the Chatgate scandal that has caused a lot of embarrassment for the Trinamool Congress party. And the conversations that we have seen between, allegedly between Kalyan Banerjee, the Trinamool Congress MP, and Kirti Azad, another member of parliament. Kalyan Banerjee says, and I quote, "I reached Kolkata, send your BSF and Delhi police to arrest me. Your home ministry's connection is very strong, international great lady." Now the question is, who is he really talking about? He also says, "Today I congratulate the gentleman who opened the beautiful activities of versatile international lady. That day not single boyfriend of hers stood behind her. This foolish man whom she wanted arrested by BSF stood behind her. Today, of course, 30 years famous player stood behind her to get me arrested." That was another message allegedly posted by Kalyan Banerjee, the TMC MP. And then Kirti Azad responds saying, allegedly, "Take it easy, Kalyan. You have had one too many. Don't act like a juvenile delinquent." Now, that's the kind of language that's being used allegedly as per the chats that have been put out by the BJP between Kirti Azad and Kalyan Banerjee. He further goes on to say, "You have been entrusted with a very serious responsibility by Didi to take everyone along with you. So relax. Have a nice sleep. I have no axe to grind with you. I humbly request you as a senior in age to me, not in politics, to kindly take everyone together. Stop your childish and erratic behavior. Act like an adult. Don't instigate anybody. Think with a cool mind. Good night." So that is the response that allegedly Kirti Azad gave to Kalyan Banerjee. That didn't end there. In fact, then we had another reaction coming in from Kalyan Banerjee. "Don't advise me, Kirti. You were thrown out from the BJP for doing internal politics. You are not senior in age of mine. You wanted to sell the party yesterday. You're still captain of doing internal politics. Your popularity is so much that you lost election in cricket. Let me see your power to get me arrested for your friend. Do not worry. I will go to Durgapur and open your mosque. I am discharging the responsibility since 2011. All you have hatched up plan who have in fact come to party when party is in power." So this is the kind of conversation, viewers, that was happening. Screenshots of these WhatsApp chats in fact were put out by the BJP. Now we have more details, viewers, emerging in from the TMC camp. Reason for Kalyan Kirti face-off. Top sources have told Times Now that this bitter spat that actually took place was over a sweet shop. Kalyan versus Kirti spat that took place. It was on Shondesh. That's what we are learning. Kirti Azad actually wanted to open sweet shop, and this sweet shop outlet, we are learning, he wanted to open in the Parliament canteen. Azad, in fact, collected signatures of TMC MPs as well for this. Sources tell Times Now that Kalyan Banerjee confronted Azad. And Sabyasachi is now joining us for more on this particular update, on this inside scoop that Times Now has got. Sabyasachi, what is this entire Shondesh saga that has now come in this entire controversy? The spat that allegedly took place in these WhatsApp chats that we can see between Kirti Azad and Kalyan Banerjee.
Well, that's right. See, it's a very interesting thing that has happened between the two members of parliament from the Trinamool Congress. In fact, it happened a day before the spat broke out between Kalyan Banerjee and the female member of parliament. Now, Kalyan Banerjee, as per the sources, says that before Kirti Azad was taking signature of the Trinamool Congress member of parliament, mostly female member of parliament, for opening a Sandesh shop in the parliament canteen area. Now, Kalyan Banerjee intervened at that particular time, stating that under which capacity is Kirti Azad taking the signature without the consent of the party, because Kalyan Banerjee is also the chief whip of the Trinamool Congress. Now, after that, the verbal spat broke out. Now, Kirti Azad has given a reference like the other states' food stalls are there inside the canteen of the parliament. Similarly, Sandesh named food stall should be opened inside the canteen of the parliament. Now, Kalyan Banerjee clearly pointed out that this is not a decision that can be taken independently by a member of parliament. It had to be discussed first with the parliamentary leaders, and then it should be taken a call. And it cannot happen behind his back. So Kalyan Banerjee also alleged that after that they
we'll see now what happens in this case eventually. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for the moment, for joining us with all those details.